Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. Have you heard the name of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Yes, the father of our nation who declared independence of our country in 26 March 1971. In response to his declaration, people of our country became inspired and stood against all the oppressions. For this, the nation had to sacrifice a lot. Many people gave away their own lives. After 9 months of hard struggle, we got liberation on 16 December 1971. We, the present generation, did not watch our liberation war physically. So, to know the history of our liberation war, we have to go to the Liberation War Museum, which exhibits their photographs, newspaper clippings, documents, and personal belongings of some of the martyrs, intellectuals, and freedom fighters. Today, our topic is a visit to the Liberation War Museum. A visit to the Liberation War Museum. Before going to the topic, I give you some keywords. The first word, field trip. Field trip. Museum. Museum. Rare. Freedom fighter. Guide. Declaration. Field trip. Field trip means trip for a field work. Field trip means trip for a field work. Museum. Museum means a place where historical things are kept for display. Museum. Museum means a place where historical things are kept for display. Rare. Rare means something that cannot be found easily. Rare. Rare means something that cannot be found easily. Freedom fighter. Freedom fighters means those who fight for freedom. Freedom fighter means those who fight for freedom. Guide. Guide means one who shows and describes. One who shows and describes things to visitors. Guide. Guide means one who shows and describes things to visitors. Declaration. Declaration means the act of declaring. The act of declaring. The act of declaring something. Again, field trip. Field trip means trip for a field work. Museum. Museum means a place where historical things are kept for display. Rare. Rare means something that cannot be found easily. Freedom fighters. Those who fight for freedom. Guide. One who shows and describes things to visitors. Declaration. The act of declaring something. Now, I give you some statements. Now I write some statements and then we go to the topic. The Liberation War Museum. 1. The Liberation War Museum is at the tree was to the tree was planned as a part of history course. Number 3, they were welcomed. They were welcomed by the director. Number 4, the museum had 6. The museum had 6 permanent galleries. Six permanent galleries. Number 5, for BE. The students had an unforgettable experience. Now we read the topic. After completing the topic, we identify this statement is correct or incorrect. Please open your book, Unit 19, Lesson 1 to page number 74. A visit to the Liberation War Museum. Actually, it's a newspaper magazine clipping, Sunshine Magazine. A visit to the Liberation War Museum by Farhan Ahmed. On 14 December, our class went on a field trip to the Liberation War Museum at Agargaon, Dhaka. The trip was planned as part of our Bangladesh and Global Studies course. Our bus reached the museum at 10 a.m. A guide was waiting for us. He welcomed us warmly and took us on a quick tour of the different galleries and exhibits of the museum. At first, we watched a video clip on our liberation war and our independence. There were 4 permanent galleries that exhibited rare photographs, documents, and newspaper clippings and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of our liberation war. At Gallery 2, our rights, our sacrifices. Our teacher read out to us the Declaration of Independence by Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. As some other visitors also stopped and listened to it attentively. As we went inside Gallery 4, our victory, our values, we fell silent. We all said as we looked at the personal belongings of some of our martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters. A pair of glasses, a pen, a notebook, a money bag, a shirt, and other such things. We left the museum at 12:30. It was an experience we would never forget. I think you understand this passage. Now, come to the board. Our first statement, the Liberation War Museum is at Agargaon. Yes, this statement is correct. If the statement is correct, we write it true. So, this statement is true. Number 2, the trip was planned as a part of history course. No, it's an incorrect statement. The trip was planned as a part of global studies course. So, false. For incorrect statement, we write false. They were welcomed by the director. No, they were welcomed by the guide. So, it's a false statement. The museum had 6 permanent galleries. No, the museum had 4 permanent galleries. So, it's a false. The students had an unforgettable experience. Yes, it's a true statement. I think you understand these statements and identify which statement is correct and which statement is wrong or incorrect. Now, I give you a homework. Please open your notebook and write it. Write about Liberation War Museum in 5 sentences. Write about Liberation War Museum in 5 sentences. Please complete this task and take a photo, send it to the school web page. See you in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.